Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity so voice commands will work. Insert fresh batteries and make sure the TV or streaming device is powered. Once the device is on, switch it to Bluetooth or pairing mode. That lets the remote establish a secure link. Press and hold the mic and home buttons together for about 3 to 6 seconds until the LED blinks. This signals pairing. If pairing prompts appear on screen, choose the remote name. Now you're ready to move into live voice tests and set up options. You need to learn the difference between wake words and the mic button. Both activate listening, but tap for one-off commands and hold for more complex requests. Use short, intentional phrases like open Netflix or search for sci-fi movies so the system parses intent correctly. For numbers, say digits clearly, volume 15 or channel 12. Once done, watch on screen confirmation so you know the device understood. If you want navigation, say go home or press directional keys immediately after a response. You finalize setup by checking voice sensitivity and accessibility settings so recognition matches your room noise level. Make sure firmware is current. Updates often fix latency and misrecognition. If responses lag, unpair then repair the remote and test again. Once done, map any shortcut buttons in app settings for quicker access. If something still fails, try the basic troubleshooting step. Reboot the TV or dongle, remove and reinsert batteries, then attempt pairing again. This simple reset resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.